Okay, so in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to complete whatever we learned so far and try to go through the app and tab and create our own app. So far what we have seen is when you see in Classic, you'll be seeing a sales and service app, right? Similar, you'll be seeing a service app, which I have selected, or a sales app. Excuse me. So now we are going to build our own application. So let's see how to do that. So first for that, we have to create our own. You have to navigate to setup. This is Classic. So we are going to use Classic setup, and here we are going to go to all the way down to create, build, create, click on apps. So now we are going to create our own first custom app, which is going to be a collection of standard tabs. So far we have seen that apps are a collection of tabs, right? So go all the way down, you will see three types of apps. So we're going to not do sub tab apps and other things. We're going to just go over here and click on new app. Okay, so in my case I have some apps created. So okay, so let's see. Alright, so now let me create a new app. Click on new. So I'm going to select custom app. There are two types of app you can create: custom app and console. Console is mostly for service console. We'll look at that later. Custom app is what we are going to create now. It is what you'll be creating 99% of the times. Okay, so you will say my custom Salesforce app. Yeah, so enter the app label. You can keep the description empty. If you want, you can insert an image. Otherwise, you can just click next. And now here is what it is. You need to select account, cases, and contacts. We're just selecting these three, and we're going to create our own app. So we selected these three tabs. Now what are tabs? Tabs are connected to underlying objects. So if you're still not clear, please go back to the previous videos and understand what a tab and object are. Alright, so I can also decide like what will be my default landing tab when I select a new app. So right now let me keep it as home. Click next. Now here are some things that we need to be aware of. So now it is going to ask you, once you create an app, okay, so now we look at the security settings of it. You have to assign it to a particular profile. Now we'll see what profiles are. Profile allows user to see particular apps, objects, gives access to the application, controls access. Okay, so that is more like access control. So right now your default profile for all the users you have created in the developer org is system administrator. So we select system administrator and click save. So you're making it visible only for that particular profile, which is associated to your current user that you have created. Okay, so now your app is created. So how to see the app is, if you come back here, you will see the my custom Salesforce app. Now what you're going to do is in the top right corner, click on the app drop down. So last, if you go here, it will show you the app. So now as you can see, you will see only the tabs that you selected. And if you look add plus, you can also see the contacts. Alright, I have added 3 tabs to this. So that's how it works. So now if I go to accounts, so this is my first custom app. So the same thing I can see in Lightning. I can go to Lightning Experience, and now on the left side, this is the app manager. Click on that, and then you need to search for your, similarly you search for your app, which is your, okay, so now here is the thing. You're not able to see the app here, right? You're not able to see that app over here. So what you do is, that's because it is not exposed in Lightning, that app. So for that we have to go back to Classic and give it the correct settings. So what we will do, we will go back to the apps setup and again build, create, and now you're going to select this app. And so my custom, so let's select on edit. And one important thing that you need to do here is you need to expose this in Lightning. See this show in Lightning Experience. So when you go back, click on that edit and go to that app. Once you add it over here, you'll be able to see it in the Lightning also. Alright, so you have to enable this and just click save. Once you click save, now navigate back to Lightning and let us see if we can see the app. So basically that expose in Lightning experience exposes your app to the Lightning. So now let us see. So now if we go down, yeah, so here we can see our app, right, which we created in Classic. So let's click and see how it is. It shows you the same set of tabs, but now we are using the Lightning UI. So accounts, cases. So this is how it is. So what I want you to do is I want you to complete this exercise. Please go through this video of how to create your own app, and then we can proceed forward.